Hey, welcome to my channel-ians, guys. Hey, this channel is going to be about Uber and Lyft, rideshare, things that I like, music, hobbies, so forth. So today's video is going to be on tips and tricks for driving Uber. Tip number one, make sure that you have the appropriate dress decals for your car. I happen to have them on the front and back. They need to be on the passenger side lower corner. That is tip number one. Tip number two, make sure you have a dash camera. I don't know why this is not really lighting up. There we go. You see you have the four lights around this lens. There's also a lens in the front that's facing out. The idea is you want to be sure that your butt is covered. The little dots around the lens, that's for infrared light, so you can see what's going on the back seat. So you have a front-facing lens in case you're in an accident, whether it's your fault or the other guys, or it's black and white. You see what happened. In the back, you have an unruly passenger, or something goes on, somebody gets sick, you've got it covered. Somebody tries to jack with you, you know, you got it covered. Okay, tip number three, you want a good dash mount for your phone. This one, when locked in place, will swivel a little bit to your liking. It also has a locking wheel in the back for you to tilt it up and down. And over here there's the telescope part, and you can mount it, and it has geared settings, increments that you can set to height. You can also mount it on your dash, but on my car, because this is a hard surface, it sticks really well. And the iAudi, which is what this is, they will tend to, in the winter time, sometimes the suction cup will come off. All you got to do is rinse it with some, carry a bottle of water with you, and heat up the part that got the suction cup end of it with your heater. Pour some water on it, stick it back on. You're good for months. Tip number four, I subscribe to XM radio because everybody likes something different. I have my iPod, which is really an iPhone 4, that's just full of my kind of music. If you're into metal and prog rock and country and Jimmy Buffett, you might like what I have, but most people, they're into more pop stuff. Tip number five, get a dual power adapter. The braided one is for my phone, and the flat looking one that goes to my Uber lamp. It just makes it convenient, and I've got them wrapped in a way that allows them to go around both sides of the console, not interfere with my driving and adjusting controls and stuff. Tip number six, clean windows, clean dash, clean seats, clean car. You do not want to get into a car where somebody has last night's donuts and beer cans and pop cans. Believe me, I've seen it. Tip number 6 and 7, have a lint roller on hand. Oh, also some Febreze in the glove box in case you get somebody who's stinking your car with cigarette smoke or whatever. Not that you allow anyone to smoke in your car, but they'll hit that thing until they open the door, so you're going to get that stink. No offense to smokers. Once again, clean car. Nobody wants to get in a piece of crap. I've got chargers that go into a charging brick inside the console. There's a charger for an iPhone, the older USB and the newer USB. I think we're on tip number 7. I got these for 10 bucks on Amazon. Charger available, seatbelts please. Take your crap with you. Tips are appreciated, but not required. Have a great day and give me 5 stars. Got one on the other seat too. It's been raining out, so you see that's the back of the car. I've got the 2 Uber and Lyft. And of course, got to show off the 2112 being a Rush fan. Finally, in the back. You are going to the airport with somebody. You don't want to have them putting their luggage on top of your crap. Keep it clean. Finally, the white thing in the middle is my Pennsylvania Easy Pass. You see my stickers are in place. Keep your car clean, man. Rush on, make money, have a great day.